你而家連續幾日都喺度上堂
？5日咯。
哦，今日第4日。
係啊。
Tomorrow last day.
Yes.
Yeah, unfortunately, went too fast.
Seems like we just got here.
We haven't even painted yet.
Little dibs and dabs.
Well,
Yeah.
but 10 minutes worth. That's all
We
I
don't
did.
want to miss anything.
Yeah, only watching is really
Really good.
Yeah.
I teach her. I mean, everyone the same. There's no different. I just give them everything. I know. But sometimes they still feel different. So too
老師，而
bad.
家呢個係 poster 定係咩嚟㗎？
哦，呢個新買㗎。
係咯係咯，我就問你咩嚟㗎咯。
新買嘅有啲 acrylic。
哦。
新買嘅。
但係
咧，我試下，我真係啱 on sale 買嘅。
哦，佢代替咗個白粉啊，係嘛？
唔係，我即係玩下啫。未嘅，我呢度都有 acrylic 嘅，呢個乾咗啦。Sorry. Should I throw her out?
No.
No, those are even I'm using white right now, but still
Do not camouflage.
yes, and not too thick.
Yes.
Yeah, the white should be soft and doesn't. After they dry, it doesn't look like plastic.
Yeah.
That
Like powder over it.
oh, 幫你買咗一包。Now the money is the paper is she yes.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
我幫你買咗一包紙，少少顏色。Yeah. 咁開 check 開你個名。
冇，你開你個名得。
No no no
No，
no
冇啦，老師。
no， 唔係我嘅，點我可以要得咧？
俾你㗎嘛。
俾我，唔係已經賣咗係你嘅。
買咗你咪
唔係
咩咯？
如果
我又幫你
冇賣，
買過。
冇賣咧，擠喺度我咪冇咪用咯。
唔緊要，我又幫你買過咯。
No no. She's the one who brought in the Korean paper.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you.
我每一都450嘛。
係啊。
Yeah.
係咯，佢明明得10張嘅啫，都唔係好多嘅啫，7個人分。
係啊。
好快就玩完㗎啦。
Do you have a import business?
No.
No，
Oh.
She's-
I know that one.
it's just for fun。
Yeah.
Stop it.
Stop it. It's for your hobby.
Yeah。
Yep.
It's actually she did it for me. Yeah.
好靚喎，老師。
係咩？
係啊，嗰啲白色落去又唔卡白咗你本身嗰啲色，好靚喎。
係啊。呢個咪好似咪
好似嗰啲白粉咁樣就係話。
溝水咯。
嗯。
You know that's why it has to mix with little water. She has a lot of painting at home. You有冇去上去
冇
睇嗰個展覽會
冇
啊？頭先我咪中上去咯。
嗯。
係啊，你知唔知呢度仲有邊一間有一啲嘢賣啊？
呢啲磨嘢。
係
家居冇咩？
冇啦。
係啊。
大家姐度買咗啦，
哦係咯，大家姐咪得咯，
冇啦，
都冇啦，你仲想要咩？
唔係
佢哋想要，
唔係我要，我唔使嘅，
係咯，唔好理佢哋，
佢哋
佢哋去翻啲嗰啲中國國貨公司嗰啲咪得賣到香港啊嗰啲大陸我哋都有啦，佢哋會去嘅啫。
Do you still need them? Tomorrow? 我哋上嚟都開心。
Yeah.
Classes
Different.
we laugh all the time.
Yeah, this group is a laughing group too.
我都話企喺樓上幾開心啊，望到出邊，
係
望到
咩？
裏邊真係好靚啊！即係回復舊觀啊嘛，幾開心。
係咩？
係啊，咁你咁多台喺度，有好多學生嘅時候，你話係咪開心好多咧？
我寧願喺下。
你寧願喺下邊啊？
係
但我覺得好開心咯。
Oh, upstairs is going to turn into an art gallery managed by another person.
Oh. Is that why you might not be living here?
I will be living here.
Okay.
Maybe the table will be putting
Down here.
down here instead of upstairs because they're going to be really contemporary art gallery.
Oh.
Yeah, I have to spend a little money touching up a little bit.
Yeah,
It looks even if the carpet is going to be
redone.
disappear.
Ah.
When they don't like carpet.
Yeah.
They
Okay.
like
They
Hard
want
surface.
Yeah.
and those I do it for promotion. It's not. I do. I mean, lots of things I do. It does not make money. It's like oh,
Oh, well, a lot of
Oh,
art
yeah,
does
Gina.
not make money.
yeah, Ben.
Goodwill.
It's good.
Yeah, goodwill. Brings people in.
Will you do art like these, like lotus paintings? These are very contemporary and have a modern feel. Will you have any of your work in there?
No, those are strictly contemporary.
Okay, very
I
modern.
do have now. There is another side of art. The other side of me in the contemporary world. You haven't seen yet.
Yeah.
Well, there's what?
No,
No,
there's
not that
no,
one. Oh, okay.
no.
You
there's
mean you
not.
have more secrets you're hiding from us, James?
Yes. Yes. Now that contemporary painting.
You know why he's using these colors now?
My
Versus
life
the cool
story.
colors. These are warm colors. Yeah. So warm and cool.
My life story.
Warm and cool.
Sort of like everybody else's.
Yeah. Welcome to my world. Sometimes a little hot, very cold.
And they go with my memoir.
Yes.
And then they're all very large painting. Very large, about 4-6 feet
I see.
large. My life. My life. And the title called is Temptation. They didn't even know it.
Oh.
Now this is finished. No, not finished. Almost.
Almost.
There are a little more touch up about the top. Some snow over the top, and a little here.
A little acrylic.
And then
more
and then
acrylic.
yeah,
And
and then
black dots, some
and
black
then-
dots,
Black
huh?
dots
Some dots.
and dots.
Yeah.
And
All
some
right.
black-
Okay, I could put it. Or you can do this. Okay.
Short pieces. and then pull again. Pull and stretch. Just like stretching your canvas, yeah.
And yet, another
Good.
reason for using duct tape.
Yes.
Who would have thought?
I know. I was always told not to use the low tack.
Oh, cannot spray. Gotta put a tape.
This is interesting.
So you gotta wonder what kind of texture you put on this side.
Mm-hmm. Protection for your nozzle. Yeah.
There you go. Still-
Yeah.
Pull. So you're as flat as you can.
That will keep you straight for a little while. Not again. So this is another way to stretch it. And,
喺呢個畫上面都 work 喎，我其實喺嗰啲水彩畫度添，
啊？
啲水彩紙就可以咁樣做。
唔可以啊！我宣紙托喺
係咯，
啲水彩紙度啫。
係咯，所以你要拉個水彩紙㗎。
係啊，因為硬啊。
Yes, he's pulling that bubble down a little more.
I didn't really spray wet enough to make the paper soft.
Soften the
If the paper softer, then it will help even more. But anyway, now I can spray.
Yeah.
So you're gonna take it like this. Lotus pond.
Pond.
你呢幅都已經完㗎啦，淨係生個心。
要講咧。
哦，係啊，仲有框。
哦，the DVD，我仲有一套喺君怡度，一套喺周先生度，一套喺呢度。
咁還晒佢咯。
She is the one who burned the DVD.
Oh, also the famous lady.
So we know everything about you.
You have to. 我買咗，叫佢買一套，咁咧佢翻屋企咧就自己去得。
吸嘢咯，係咯。
你記得 share 一套咁得，我唔知佢識唔識聽。To be paint with the green or the blue when it's still wet,
Red.
and you can do exactly like the flowers. You can paint it so the stem is not really one straight line. Okay, but now it looks like it's gonna be one straight line. Now try. You see, this is what is this?
有粉啊嘛，
No,
膠。
It's paper, huh?
no,
No?
it's I must have mixed it with some acrylic color. See?
Oh, it's lumpy,
It become dirty.
dirty, contaminated.
Okay. So I mix. Now I use any colors when I have around here, so I don't have to go find the new colors. Okay, but it has to be. It's actually dark green, but I'm not going to use dark green. I'm going to use something with a little black. Okay, like this. Oh, I have another secret.
Wow, great.
You have to be vanished.
Turn your head.
She already know. She already know the secret. She already know. Where's the brush? Hello.